All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how I made just over $6,000 today in basically less than 1 minute of trading. So here we are on US30, and you guys can see that on the left hand side we have our private Telegram signals group, which you could choose to take the signals if you want. But then we also have our free Discord community. So this is 100% free for anyone that wants to join. And here's a screenshot of my trades I took today, and the profit was $6,380. And I know people like to think that a lot of things are fake or demo accounts or paper trading, but this is real. This is a live account, and I could show you guys here that you'll see that well, it should have been a bigger day actually, but you guys can see this 38.27 lines up with this 38.27, and then let me pull this back over here, and then you guys can also see that this trade here 46.1950, 45.01, and then 74. So you can see it all basically lines up, and then the NAS, the 26.0925. So it is a live account. Today was 6,300. I'm on the week so far. I'm basically at 8,900. I'm just trying to hit 10 grand for the week. So I'm just trying to hit 10 grand for the week, and then I'm happy with that. So I probably won't be trading tomorrow. But US30 NAS 100, you guys can see the signal here. I basically told everybody on US30 I was looking to buy a 46.208.66, and she had came down, right? What happened was she had came down, so I was basically looking for it to hold the support and basically push up over these highs, which that's the move we caught. And then same thing with NAS 100. NAS 100 was basically holding this zone here, and again I was looking for it to basically peak out at these highs right here, and she almost quite almost got there. So when the market opened, she dipped a little bit, but then she instantly ripped, and we broke over take profit 1, 2, and 3 before she finally sold off. So the market has been very, very hard, and this is right here. You guys can see that this US30, you guys can see I was in this trade. I did jump a little bit early. I was up $10,439. Nice squeeze up, very, very nice squeeze up. So over 100 points right there. And again, live account 10,439. So this is this is life-changing money. But this takes time. So US30, I've been telling people lately, especially the way the market and what's going on with the world the economy, US30 and NAS 100 have been very, very hard to trade. They've been very, 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 very hard to trade. So if you're taking losses, man, don't be so hard on yourself. If you need to switch to like gold, then switch to gold. If you need to switch to Forex pairs, then switch to Forex pairs. The thing with Forex pairs is, I preach this a lot. Forex pairs, you could actually make just as much money, if not more money. And people don't like to think that. They don't believe that, but you can. So when you trade Forex pairs, again, it's a little bit more calm, cool, and collect. It's not so like, because he said, when you trade US30 and NAS 100, you could be in a trade and you could be up. Like this trade here, US30, when she squeezed up, I was up 10 grand and I closed the trade out because she instantly like snapped back and she just flushed hard. I mean, it basically it peaked out here at 46.30.17, and then it dropped all the way down here to fucking 46.049. It basically dropped like over 200 fucking points. That's a big move. That's a very, very big move, especially in less than 15 minutes. So, US30 NAS 100, you see me, you see others making a lot of money, big money, but it also took us a long time to master. And it's very hard to, copy this, so because of how fast it is, the system itself can't keep up with it, right? So if you try to copy this, or duplicate it, you can't. We've seen it because just how fast it moves and how fast things get triggered. It can't copy it. There's always going to be glitches and errors. So really, like the safe route to trade, or if you're trying to copy something or copy the signals, is the Forex pairs, because they don't move as fast. They move in big range, but it takes longer for them to move in those ranges. You see what I'm saying? So again, you got to be mindful of that, right? You have to be very, very mindful of that when you're trading US30 or NAS 100. But awesome, trades, awesome start to the week. The signals group has been on fire. So if you guys are interested in joining the signals group, the link is below this YouTube video. If you guys are interested in using the same broker as us, you get a 100% matching deposit bonus. So if you only have $100, you put $100 in there, then again they're going to match it. So that's really, really nice for new traders that are tight with funds. That's it for this video. If you guys are interested in joining the free Discord group, the link is below this video as well. You can see other like-minded individuals posting their trades. Obviously another member here, live account. So he basically made $1,500, and he's also in the signals group as well, so kudos to him. But yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I apologize it's so late.